Hi, my name's Kyle Henry, and I'm an instructor here at TSL. I was in the field as a wind turbine technician doing commissioning and high voltage cable repair for 7 years. I like to think that I bring that experience and real life instances into my teaching to make sure that technicians have a full understanding and confidence of what they're working on, why they're working on it, and how to do so safely. At TSL, I teach the GWO, ART, VST, and VTT courses to ensure that the students have a well-rounded understanding of what they're about to see when they go out into the field.
I met Kyle probably about 7 years ago. He was a trainer for one of our clients. And what struck me was his eagerness. The class that I was teaching, he wasn't even technically a part of, but he kind of played along. He got to see some of the training we were doing. And from that, he just warmed up to the subject of training. I could tell from the beginning he was going to be a great instructor. And then to see him here when he arrived at our teaching area as an instructor for TSL was comforting.
My chance to talk about Kyle, why I think he deserves to win the GWO award for Instructor of the Year. Kyle does a couple things better than most. One thing is he's willing to listen to students and alter the training so that way it better fits their situation while still being able to touch and teach the curriculum as needed. He's also a really good communicator. Kyle can sit down and connect with people on their same level. That way they feel like they're getting a very personalized training situations.
Here at TSL, we've always prided ourselves on having a large group of very capable, knowledgeable, and professional instructors. Since Kyle has joined the team, he's definitely risen to the top of that group, brings with him a lot of industry experience and knowledge, and you can definitely tell with his students how much he relates to them. I can't think of anybody else who's more deserving here in the organization to be nominated for the Instructor of the Year, and I look forward to any time I get an opportunity to be in the classroom with the gentleman and learn as much as I can from him.
Kyle has been a tremendous asset to our team. With his prior work experience in wind and also as a vocational instructor for wind technicians, he brings prior experiences that establishes credibility, and he also brings high energy to the classes. It's very focus driven and he keeps it at a high level. One of the most important things I think he does is that he not only is a good teacher and a good speaker, but he's a very good listener, and he's good at taking the students' perspectives, whether they're understanding a concept or not, and he's able to decipher it and help them learn effectively.
Kyle's dedication, passion, and leadership are an inspiration to all of us at Tech Safety Lines. He's been an incredible asset to our team and to the Global Wind organization.
I would like to thank everyone that voted for me, the technicians, my fellow instructors, and the GWO platform itself for giving me this nomination. Thank you for your time.